Welcome to HUS 1461, which is Perspectives of Human Behavior. I am Gail Sabo, and I'm going to be your facilitator for this course, and I am looking forward to being part of your journey to success. In this course, we're going to be covering and really looking deeper into human behavior. What are the things that are influencing our behavior? What guides us? What helps us to make our decisions and changes our thoughts and the behaviors that are steered with them? So we'll take a deeper look at the theories of behavior and the different influences that we find out there, including personal and social and environmental influences. So we've got a lot in store, and I'm looking forward to getting started with you. If you have any questions along the way with the journey, please don't hesitate to reach out. It's my job to help, and I look forward to doing that. So don't get stuck and don't get frustrated. Just reach out to me and see what I can do to help you. Remember, this course, we will have our live sessions on Tuesdays at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, which is 11 o'clock Central Time. You do not have to attend. If you do not able to attend, we will record those sessions and you can watch those at a later date. Each week, make sure you look through each module carefully and make sure that you've completed each and every assignment that's attached to that module, paying special attention to the project that we have going on, because that project's a building project. So week 1, we'll take a look at it. By week 2, you're going to pick your population and we're going to build off that project. In addition to that, most weeks we have an additional assignment, and in most weeks we have a discussion board. Like I said, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm looking forward to get started.